Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of a Timex Marlin. It's a special edition, the Take Care with Peanuts edition watch. I think they pretty recently came out with it. I was just browsing on the Timex website the other day, and I saw this line, and I originally wanted to get the Weekender. It was a 38 millimeter version with the same Take Care with Peanuts theme. But that was already sold out, so I ended up actually spending quite a bit more money on the Marlin Automatic edition watch. So just want to do a quick unboxing video and just my overall impressions for you guys. So as many of you know, the Marlin line came out a couple of years ago. It was a reissue. The Marlin's watch used to be sort of a mainstay in the Timex catalog in the 1960s. And then, you know, in the 80s when they went quartz only, it's sort of like, you know, they stopped making those. And now, I think in 2018, 2019, they came back with the Marlin, which was a manual wind movement with a 34 millimeter case size. And then later iterations, they came out with the 40 millimeter. I think that's more in keeping with, you know, modern wristwatch sizes. But anyway, so this is the Peanuts Take Care, so sort of, you know, green is the new black and things like that, just buy local and sustainability focused sort of line. So this is exactly how it came. And on the back, I just noticed that, so the watch is, the movement is Japanese, the strap is made in China, and the assembly is also in China. So just to, you know, note of that. Okay, so let's get this open. So previously the Marlins, I've been watching some other YouTube videos and things like that, but they came in a sort of a rectangular faux leather box, but I guess because of the sustainability aspect of the watch, you know, this is recyclable paper. And even in the description online, when I was getting the watch, they sort of focus on the, you know, the sustainability part of it. So here's the watch. Interesting, the second hand is actually already moving, maybe because I was moving the box around. So what does this say on here? It says, Take Care with Peanuts promotes a vital message of caring, reminding us to press pause and appreciate ourselves and those around us and this place we call home. So nice little message. So hopefully you can see this well in the camera. But here it is. So let's take this off. Okay, so that's it. So this is just paper packaging. This sort of feels like paper slash plastic, but you know, something you can keep and use for something else. So here's the actual watch. So this is 40 millimeter. It's got a Miyota movement, and I think it's 21 joules, plus or minus, I think like 5 to 10 seconds a day. So it's pretty decent. What else? Okay, so on their website, they sort of, I'm just gonna wind it. It's a very, I don't know if you can hear that, but it's very loud as I'm trying to wind it. And it's also, the rotor on the back is very loud. I don't know if you can see this, but basically the vibration, it's like the watch is shaking. Anyways, all right, so let's take a look at the rest of this. So, all right. So it's got a display case back. Okay. Yeah, you can just see the, wow, the rotor is like super loud. Okay, let me take the sticker off. So it says, there's another sticker that says Japan movement. Okay, that's some very bad glue. Okay. I'll have to clean that probably. Okay, so here's the watch. It's a silver dial, and you have Snoopy in the middle, which is, you know, holding the globe, the planet. And the something sort of different from other versions of the Marlin are, I know they've done another Snoopy special edition, which is like the Flying Ace version. That didn't have the date, so this one actually has the date. Otherwise, it's pretty much the same. And then the second hand is like this lime green color. Maybe not lime green, but a little bit darker than the green than lime green, but very nice nonetheless. Let me take this off. Okay. All right, here we are. So actually, it's very light. It's supposed to be 50 meters water resistant, and the crystal it's actually acrylic. It's got a very sort of, yeah, like a very 1950s, 1960s vibe to it, design aesthetic. Like you can totally see, I don't know, sort of picture like Don Draper in Mad Men wearing one of these. Although I think he wore GLC Reversos. But anyways, yeah, it's very light. So it's 40 mil. It's actually quite thick. I think this is about like 13 millimeters. That's what they said on their on the website. But I'm really digging this acrylic, man. It's like the light just sort of plays across it. Yeah, really nice. The leather strap. Okay, let's see what it says on the back. So it just says Timex, genuine leather. To be honest, this feels pretty flimsy. I'm most likely going to be changing this out. So on their website, it said that this is an eco dry tan leather, and the way that they produce it, it uses less water in making it. But yeah, the strap feels very sort of very blah, sort of cheap. But yeah, it's you know, it's nicely polished. The entire watch is polished. The strap, I think these are 20 mil, and they do have the quick release straps, which is nice. So you just sort of pull these tabs over here to take them out and switch them out. Okay, let's try it on the wrist. So just take this one off. All right. So I was sort of when I was purchasing this watch, 40 mil on a circular design can, depending on how sort of like the border of the watch can sometimes be a little bit too big. Like it can wear larger than the 40 millimeters implies. So I was a little worried about that. But then when this came in, it's so sort of rounded that I think this is going to fit really well. So my wrist is 15 millimeters, not millimeters, 15 centimeters, or 15 to 15 and a half centimeters around in circumference. So let me put this on. It's a little loose. Let me go one from the tightest. Okay. Yeah, this, I'm not a fan of the strap already. It's sort of, it feels, I don't know, it feels sort of cheap. It feels like, almost like paper or something like that. I know that's a weird way to describe it, but all right, so here we go. So that's on my pretty small wrist, 15 and a half centimeters in some circumference. It's a really nice watch though, man. I gotta say, it's it fits really nice. It's definitely more sort of like dressy, but I like how just having the Snoopy sort of just makes it more, I don't know, playful and a little bit more casual. I can definitely see myself wearing this quite a bit. But yeah, so that's basically it. Let me see if I have some straps, actually Timex straps laying around from another watch, so you can sort of see how it may look. So this is a brown one. See, this is also a Timex strap, but this just feels way better than, I mean, this is a couple years old probably too. But yeah, so you can definitely, you know, change the aesthetic of the watch just by adding your strap, and the quick release I think is a great feature. But yeah, I think that's all I have to say for this. I think it's a very nice watch. They retail for about $269. I got like a coupon for signing up for something. It was like 15% off. It's about $250. Not bad at all. Given that you do have an automatic movement, it's not the most accurate, but it'll do. I think the rotor is that's sort of annoying to me. It's quite loud. I don't know if you can hear that. Let me try to do that again. Yeah, it's sort of like really loud, but I guess you get used to it. It's 50 meters water resistance. I don't know if I would trust that per se. This isn't a screw-in crown, but yeah, overall, I think this is a great watch. And just that green hand, that's my favorite color. It was very attractive to me, and having the Snoopy and the silver face, the retro vibe of the domed acrylic. I don't know if you can see it on camera too well, but it is very, very, the curvature is like serious. It's polished all around. Timex is sort of like a mainstream, just very American watch, and I think this is, it doesn't try to be anything that it's not. It's just a good, solid, watch instrument, a time instrument. But anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. Hopefully this was helpful to you guys. If you have any questions, comments, please write them in the comments below. I will try to get more watch videos coming your way soon. Thanks so much. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.